Tired of having your finished leftovers go bad? Our Bloxygen system blocks oxygen. How? It uses pure argon, nature's preservative, to blanket and protect leftovers. It actually preserves anything that's sensitive to oxygen and moisture. If you could see the invisible gases, this is what it would look like. See how the Bloxygen is heavier and how it pushes the oxygen and moisture right out of the top of the can? Once the container is purged, the heavy blanket of Bloxygen protects the liquid during storage. In fact, finishes can last 10 years or more. Your leftovers will be as good as the first time you use them. That's because Bloxygen blocks oxygen. Make your paint, stains, varnishes, and other products last longer. Save money, prevent waste, and eliminate hassles. Bloxygen. Just spray, seal, and store.